Sarva, it was a very nice experience exploring what we see every day in front of us, because I've come to this mountain a lot of times with my father along with him. We've done this trek, but it was a good experience to do it with everyone. And every time I visit, I explore, I find new things. Like I found a different kind of species of plants which I had not seen, obviously. And it's fun to interact with the local people that live here, and that's it, to explore their lifestyles and how they speak, how is their language. I like to explore those things along with the nature, so it was fun. Thank you.
What's going?
Great.
Fine, sir.
Okay, how's the Josh? Okay, tell me, how was the day?
Awesome, sir.
Any takeaways?
Should conserve mountains to like experience such more treks.
Speak up.
We should enjoy the beauty.
Should enjoy the beauty, undoubtedly. And nature bestows so much of beauty. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Explore the nature.
Great. Good to go. Really, my compliments to each one of you. What you girls, how did you find the day?
So exhausting a bit. Exhausting, but it was a lot beautiful. So we video call our friend. We showed her the scenery.
Okay, great. So you have already taken on the campaign of awareness, that so that the crowd come to the mountain, but they come without a plastics and also mobile. Though I'm capturing this video through my mobile.
Hello everyone, myself Arya Garau from class 6A. When I was climbing, I was so exhausted. When I see everyone, they all were with their friends. I was thinking that I was remembering when will my friends come with me? So I will tell them that we have done this and it was so fun. So I will request them that next time if there will be any adventurous thing, you will come with me.
Wow.
Was initiative of each and every one. I enjoyed a lot, and I was really feeling exhausted while climbing because it was like, when will we reach? But it was a great experience with my friends as well for climbing to the top, and now I'm very happy that I'm here. Thank you.
Class 10C. My name is Shivam Vijay Saraskar. First of all, I would like to say that the trek was really awesome and effective. Apart from pandemic, we have never come to any adventurous part like this. this was really enjoyable for us because this was changing moment for me because I was still don't visited any adventure like this because this was really happiest moment for me and really beneficial because whenever I have never do like that means practice of trek, but this was really enjoyable trek that sirs and really appreciated me and give me strength that I could achieve heights like this.
So I'm an environmental science and bioinformatics student, and since class 4th, one thing which I have always been hearing is that our environment is degrading at a very fast rate. And presently I'm in 13th class, that is first year college, and nothing has changed. Our books say the same, our news say the same. So I mean, it's such a good experience to actually know more about it. When I talk about mountains, I mean, yesterday we were having a class discussion where we got to know that industrialization is one of the major reasons why it is very important for us to protect the environment. My grandmother belongs to Himachal Pradesh, so since very young I've always been to Himachal Pradesh, and one thing which I've always noticed there is the amount of landslides, blocking roads, and sort of a lot of houses being built almost everywhere. So I mean, it's a good initiative, and I mean, more than just doing something, it's more about awareness. We're still not reached that stage where we can actually implement about it. So I think it's quite of a good experience to be aware about it. I never knew for a very long time that there's a mountain day also, but I mean, thank you everyone, and yeah, thank you so much.
I will thank sir for organizing this lecture. Actually, I would like to share my experience with all of you. First of all, I was very excited to go on trekking, but while I was climbing, I was damn exhausted. Then we didn't lose hope. We are on the top of the hill. So this success is something we would like to feel. And when in the future, when we go back to our memories, it is a good memory. So I would thank sir, and I would thank sir who gave us this useful information. Thank you.
How's the jazz? How's the jazz? How's the jazz?